So guys, managed to get the inner arch sorted out now. It's all knocked back, but hopefully the angle, you can see it, it's all been knocked back. Had to put a couple of plates in here to close the hole up, but for all intents and purposes it's all sorted. Just need to get it dressed now. Do the other side, maybe give it another clean out, and under seal it and stone guard. Happy days. Just a quick one guys, catch up soon. Well, they're not the best, but it's all good, it's all going to get covered up anyway. Functional. It's all great. Catch up soon.